This is a demonstration of the text-only web page grabber in netscantools Pro. The purpose of it is to get a web page from a web server completely free of any sort of scripts or viruses or whatever. So let's just demonstrate the simplest mode. We get this web page text. As you can see here, this is a 301 move permanently, so it tells us that it's moved from this URL to this URL. And these are clickable and will open your web browser. So let's try another. Let's get the web page text there. And as you can see, this is the hidden header right here. This is the actual page. It begins at this point. But this is the hidden header starting right here. You can see the type of web server and other information about the web page, including how much content, length in bytes that it actually has, and what type of content you're receiving. In our case, we only ask for text, and that's what we get. Many web hosting services host multiple websites on a single IP address. So what you would do is place the IP address up here instead of the actual URL. Then you would put the URL down here. And then, at that point, you would be able to get the specific website from the multi-homed host. This box allows you to tell the web server what type of user agent you are. In other words, what type of browser you're using. You can also set your proxy settings right here if you happen to be behind a firewall which requires proxy. Remember, this is a completely safe method of accessing a web page. There's no way you're going to get a virus or anything like that from the page, unless you happen to press on one of these links. So if you do press on one, we come up with a warning message asking if you really want to do it. And this box right here tells you the network timing, how long it took the DNS to respond, and how long it took to actually make the full connection and receive the page. Another feature of this tool is the ability to get distributed authoring and versioning options from the web server. First, I will clear the window, then I'll select a different URL and press this, and you can see that the particular options that it supports are listed right here. One final important feature that I want to point out about this tool is the ability to translate these shortened URLs into where they really go to. This is important for security reasons. As you can see, that was the input, and this is the actual real location of where it's going to direct you to. And sometimes you'll find quite a breadcrumb stream of these things. So that's the tool set in netscantools Pro 11 that you find in the text-only web page grabber.